Welcome. If you're looking to allow members to be added to your Telegram group on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature, so your group can grow and stay active. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where all your chats and groups are listed. Click on the group where you want to allow adding members. Remember, only admins can change group permissions, so double-check you have the correct access. Now that you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings, where you can control everything from the group name to member permissions. Inside the Manage Group settings, find and click on Permissions. This section lets you decide what group members can and cannot do. Scroll through the list until you see the option labeled Add Members. By default, this might be turned off, especially after recent updates that give admins more control over group privacy and security. To allow members to be added, simply enable the Add Members option. Once you've toggled it on, don't forget to click Save at the bottom or top of the window to confirm your changes. This update will immediately let group members start inviting others, making it easier to expand your community. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've opened the door for new members to join your Telegram group. Keeping this setting enabled can help your group stay lively and engaged, especially if you're looking to build a bigger audience or foster more conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends or fellow admins. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of Telegram.